Welcome my dear student in digital learning class on mathematics. As you all know, we are on chapter number 5, that is related to data handling. So in data handling we are learning about different types of arrangements of data by using frequency, grouped frequency and representation in the form of graph like double graph, histogram, etc. So today I am going to tell you how to draw histogram by using the given data which is in the form of grouped frequency. So let's take the question number 4th of exercise 5.1. Question is draw a histogram for the frequency table for the data given in the question number 3rd. That means what is the answer of third question that you need to represent in the histogram. And question is asked to you which group is having maximum number of workers and how many workers earn 850 rupees and more. Next, how many workers earn less than 850 rupees. So in this question, first task is to write the answer of question number 3rd that I have written already here. Class interval, telemark and frequency. This is the answer of third question. Now next part, how to draw the histogram. So first task, let the grouped frequency, class interval, this one. This class interval we are taking always along horizontal axis. Keep in mind we need it in horizontal axis or x-axis. And this sign which is represented here, it will look like an arrow. This represent here data is not in regular manner. How? Where you see this first gap is of 0 to 800 directly. Then the difference is of 10, 10, 10 and 10 so on. So first difference is not fixed. That's why it is showing data is not a, we can say regular. In this side it is regular. So along y axis we need to write number of workers. And one most important thing that you need to write what is the scale used. That means how many column you have selected equals to the persons. Here I have selected one column is equals to one worker. So let's see the first one. First task is to check 800 to 810. So see here, it is 800, it is 810. I need to make pillar from here. How many workers are here in this? Here we have number 3. So just find where is 3. This is 3. So this is the first. What I did you can see here. I have drawn one bar graph as we are drawing from in between 800 to 810 and height is 3. That means 3 workers is in this group. Next we have 810 to 20. We have only 2. 10 to 20 we have only 2. Then 20 to 30 we have only 1. So up to 1. Next 30 to 40. 30 to 40 you can see here we have 9. So up to 9 I need to go up. So you can see this is 30 to 40. Now you can see 40 to 50 is 5. So go up to 5 and join the next column. 5. Then 50 to 60. We have only 1. Go to 1. Then next we have 3. First we have 1, then we have 3. And after 3 we have 1, 2 times. 1 time 1, second time 1. And the last interval that is 90 to 900 it is 4. So if it is 4, so take it side up to 4. So now just see my dear student, what is the difference between histogram and bar graph? Bar graph is a pillar like structure where they are separated from one another. But in case of histogram, we are going to attach all these bars. So just write the counting as such in the denominator, make this graph, and from here, now first question I am going to take which group has maximum number of workers. So that means which is the tallest building that belongs to the maximum number of workers. So this group is 830 to 40 has maximum number of workers. So the answer number 1 is 830 to 840 rupees one group. This is the salary. This group is maximum. How many they are? They are total 9. You can see from here also to verify your question. This one is your answer 9. Next question to you. How many workers earn 850 and more than 850? That means how many they are earning more than 150. 850 on board you can see. Here is 850. Then see we need to add only these. So what is this one? This is 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4. So add these 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have only 10 workers. 10 workers are earning more than 850. So how many left now? Those are earning less than 150. So let's see. I am writing here. This is 3, 2, 1, 9, 5. If you add these all, so the answer will become 20. And you can cross check your answer by adding both. It will become 30, then answer is correct. So I hope my dear student you are able to understand how to draw histogram. Even I want to tell you again, just see first, draw whatever the data is given to you, then whatever the interval is given to you, draw them in horizontal line. After drawing in horizontal line, frequency I need to take this side. Here we have number of workers, this is basis. Then select the scale as I have selected. One small distance is equals to worker, one worker. 2 means 2 worker, 10 means 10 workers. So in this way, when you start drawing a bar graph in the form of histogram, so in histogram just start doing as usual, 100, 800 to 810 we have 3, so make up to 3. If any other like 830 to 40 is 9, to take it up to 9 and join all. In this way you can draw histogram. Thank you so much.